When it comes to achieving fitness goals, shedding excess weight can be a challenge for both men and women. A fat burner can be a powerful ally in this journey, helping to accelerate metabolism, boost energy, and enhance fat loss. Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Lemon Lime is a non-GMO electrolyte drink mix that enhances rapid hydration. Packed with essential vitamins like B3, B5, B6, B12, and vitamin C, it uses cellular transport technology, CTT, to deliver hydration to your bloodstream faster than water alone. The lemon-lime flavor offers a refreshing taste, making it a popular choice for athletes, travelers, or anyone needing a hydration boost. Just mix one packet with water, and enjoy quick and effective hydration. Ultima Replenisher Daily Electrolyte Drink Mix, Original Variety, 20 stick packs. Hydrate happily. Ultima Electrolytes powder delivers everyday hydration packed with 6 key electrolytes, vitamin C, zinc and delicious plant-based flavors. Ultima Electrolytes provide enhanced hydration with zero sugar, calories or carbs. Naturally delicious, electrolyte drink mix made with 6 key electrolytes, magnesium, calcium, potassium, LMNT zero sugar electrolytes citrus salt, drink mix. The best electrolyte drink mix ever. LMNT is a tasty electrolyte drink mix with everything you need and nothing you don't, perfect for training, low-carb or keto diets, fasting, and those leading active lifestyles. More salt, not less. A growing body of research reveals that optimal health outcomes occur at Drip Drop Hydration Bold Variety Pack. Fast hydration for workouts, travel, and heat. 75% of people are dehydrated, which negatively affects health, mood, and performance. 3x electrolytes and 1/2 the sugar of the leading sports drink. Our ORS science-based formula's precise sodium-to-glucose ratio activates a hydration shortcut, accelerating fluid absorption into the bloodstream, hydrating 2x faster than water alone. Mix 1 packet into 8 ounces of water for fast effective hydration that Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Strawberry Electrolyte Powder Drink Mix. Hydration Mix, a great tasting, non-GMO electrolyte drink mix that delivers hydration faster than water alone. Great taste, enjoy the taste of freshly picked ripe strawberries topped with decadent notes of whipped cream. Science-backed formula, powered by Live Hydrations, Liquid IV is designed with an optimized ratio of electrolytes and clinically tested nutrients. Extraordinary hydration. Hydration Multiplier has 3x the electrolytes of the leading sports drink, and 8 vitamins and nutrients. It contains 100% of the daily value of 4 B vitamins, B3, B5, B6, and B12. Gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. Convenience, single serving, travel-friendly packets are easy to enjoy on the go. Pour 1 easy-to-open packet into 16 ounces of water, mix or shake, and hydrate. Hydration Aid. Since 2015, we have donated over 55 million servings of Liquid IV to those in need around the globe, and donate over 1% of our revenue to our impact programs. In conclusion, fat burners for both men and women can be a valuable tool in your weight loss and fitness journey. By boosting metabolism, increasing energy levels, and supporting fat loss, these supplements can help you achieve your goals more effectively when paired with a healthy diet and regular exercise.